Welcome friends, I'm your help from Easy Education Zone. Friends, this is the map of Europe. In the southeast region, you can see the area highlighted by a brown outline. This region is known as the Balkan region of Europe. This is the modern map of Balkan region. The Balkan region here has been shown by the light brown color. Now we are talking about the Balkan region because that is the topic of this video. The two questions that normally repeat about the Balkan region for the history of class 10th are: Balkan region of Europe is called a keg of powder. The second question is: Balkan region of Europe is a continuous source of tension. Now, meaning of both these questions is same, that the Balkan region of Europe in 19th century had been a center of conflicts, fights and wars. केग ऑफ पाउडर का मतलब होता है बारूद का ढेर, और यही कंडीशन थी बाल्कन रीजन की 19th सेंचुरी में. यहाँ हर समय टेंशन रहता था, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रहते थे, कभी भी फाइट्स ब्रेकआउट हो जाती थी, लड़ाई शुरू हो जाती थी और युद्ध होते रहते थे. Now answer to this question is reasons for this type of situation in the Balkan. इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर है रीजन्स बताने में, कारण बताने में, किस वजह से बाल्कन रीजन्स में ये सिचुएशन बनी. The first reason is geographical and ethnic variations. The Balkan region was geographically very diverse, and you can see this region is home to a number of ethnic nationalities, ethnic groups from the northwest, Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Serbia, Montenegro, Kosovo, Macedonia, Albania and Greece. From northeast, Moldova, Bulgaria and Turkey. The point number is two is intense conflict among the ethnic groups. Not only the Balkan region was home to a large number of ethnic nationalities, ethnic groups, but these ethnic groups were warrior-like, and they were continuously fighting among themselves. बाल्कन रीजन में जो लार्ज नंबर के एथनिक ग्रुप्स थे, बहुत सारे एथनिक ग्रुप्स थे, ये एथनिक ग्रुप्स वॉरियर लाइक थे, योद्धा थे, और ये हर समय एक दूसरे के साथ में लड़ते रहते थे, जिससे कि बाल्कन रीजन में कंटिन्यूसली कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स और फाइट्स होती थी. Point number 3 is spread of romantic nationalism. We all know that in 18th and 19th century Europe there was the spread of romantic nationalism, and romantic nationalism also spread to the Balkan region. The nationalist feelings increased the possibilities of more conflicts. हम सभी को मालूम है कि 19th और 18th सेंचुरी यूरोप में रोमांटिक नेशनलिज्म चल रहा था, और रोमांटिक नेशनलिज्म बाल्कन रीजन्स में भी फैला, जिससे कि वहां पे लड़ाई और झगड़े की पॉसिबिलिटीज और ज्यादा बढ़ गई. Disintegrating weak Ottoman Empire. For your knowledge, the Balkan region had been a part of Ottoman Empire for 400 years. In 19th century, when the Ottoman Empire was disintegrating, becoming weak. The Balkan ethnic groups saw this as an opportunity to assert themselves, or they started fighting each other for dominance. आपकी जानकारी के लिए बाल्कन रीजन 400 साल तक ऑटोमन एम्पायर का हिस्सा रहा था, और जब 19th सेंचुरी में ऑटोमन एम्पायर टूट रहा था, कमजोर हो रहा था, तो बाल्कन नेशनलिटीज ने इसको एक अवसर के रूप में देखा और एक दूसरे को डोमिनेट करने के इरादे से एक दूसरे से लड़ने लगे. Scene of big powers rivalry. The 19th century Europe was being dominated by 4 European powers: Britain, Russia, Prussia, and France. And the Balkan region was becoming the scene of their rivalry. The rival powers supported the rival ethnic groups in fights. Now, putting all these points together and developing the answer. Geographical and ethnic variation. The region had geographic and ethnic variations. It was home to a number of ethnic groups like Slaves, Croats, Serbs, Albanians, and Greeks. Point number 2, intense conflict among ethnic groups. All the ethnic groups of the Balkan region were warlike. There was an intense conflict among them and they were continuously fighting. Spread of Romantic nationalism. 19th century Europe, including Balkan region, was witnessing the spread of Romantic nationalism. Nationalism further increased the possibility of conflicts. Disintegrating or weakening Ottoman Empire. The Balkan region was under the Ottoman Empire for 4 centuries. Now, the empire was becoming weak. The Balkans saw this as an opportunity to assert themselves. Point number 5, scene of big powers rivalry. The Balkan region was also the scene of big European powers rivalry. Britain, Russia, Prussia, and France all wanted to control the Balkan region. This rivalry even led to the First World War. With this, we come to the end of the video. I hope you have found the video useful. Thank you.